Hello everyone, welcome to Target for IQ, and in this session we will discuss about the person who are recently in news. So the first one is Sirsa Bandla. Indian origin Sirsa Bandla became the third woman to fly in the space on 11th July 2021. She was the one of six crew members aboard Richard Branson Virgin Galactic flight, which flew in the age of space before returning the Earth. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian origin woman to fly in the space, and Sunita Williams was the second Indian origin woman who fly in the space. Next, Aris Fatma. Aris Fatma, a 4-year-old child from Karachi, made history by becoming the youngest Microsoft certified professional. Next, Anup Chand Pandey. Anup Chand Pandey became the election commissioner of India, and Sushil Chandra is currently the chief election commissioner of India. Next, Abhimanyu Mishra. Indian origin, Abhimanyu Mishra, who is 12-year-old child, became the youngest ever chess grandmaster in history. Next, David Diop. David Diop won the International Booker Prize of 2021 and the book named as At Night All Blood is Black. Next, G.P. Samant. Dr. G.P. Samant, appointed as the CHI on 16 April 2021. The term of his tenure is 2 years, and he previously worked as the advisor of RBI. Next, Kuldeep Singh. Kuldeep Singh, appointed as the Director General of CRPF, and he also get the additional charge of NIA chief. Next, Ajay Mathur. Dr. Ajay Mathur, appointed as Director General of International Solar Alliance, the headquarters of International Solar Alliance located at Gurugram. Next, Suresh N. Patel. Suresh N. Patel, appointed as the Acting Center Vigilance Commissioner by replaces Sanjay Kothari. Next, K. Sivan. ISRO Chief K. Sivan got the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award, and central government also extended his tenure till 14 January 2022. Next, Justice Prafulla Chand Pant. Justice Prafulla Chand Pant, appointed as the acting chairperson of National Human Rights Commission. He succeeded the office of Justice Arun Kumar Mishra. Next, Barack Obama. Barack Obama published his autobiography book named as A Promised Land, in which he shared his experience in political career and also talked about the Indian politics in his regime. Next, Naftali Bennett. Naftali Bennett, elected as the 30th Prime Minister of Israel. Next, Kiran Manjumdar. Kiran Manjumdar has been awarded EY Entrepreneur of the Year 2020. She is the chairman of Biocon Limited. Next, Yashvardhan Kumar Sinha. Yashvardhan Kumar Sinha has been appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner in October 2020. 2020. Next, Irfan Khan. Irfan Khan was one of the finest actors of Indian cinema who died on 29th April 2020. He was awarded with Padma Shri and also get the award of Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award in 2021. The next one is Diego Maradona. Famous Argentina footballer Diego Maradona died on 25th November 2020. He was known as Golden Boy and he was also captain of his team when Argentina won the World Cup in 1986. Next, Girish Chand Murmu. Girish Chand Murmu appointed as the 14th Comptroller and Auditor General of India. He is also appointed as the External Auditor of Inter-Parliamentary Union. But the most important appointment he got recently as the Chairman of United Nations Panel of External Auditor. Next is N.V. Ramanna. N.V. Ramanna appointed as the 48th Chief Justice of India and took the oath on 24th April 2021. Next, Srishti Goswami, a 20-year-old girl of Haridwar pursuing BSc, Srishti Goswami became the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand for 1 day on the occasion of National Girl Child Day, which is celebrated on 24th January. Next, Paresh Rawal. Paresh Rawal is newly appointed as the Chairman of National School of Drama. Next, Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. Subodh Kumar Jaiswal appointed as the new Director of CBI. In the selection committee meeting, CGI Ramanna introduced 6-month rule for first time in the selection process of Director of CBI. 6-month रूल के बारे में हम आपको डिटेल में थोड़ा सा बताना चाहते हैं, जो कि बहुत ही ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव लिया गया था CGI साहब के द्वारा। और इसमें ये बताया गया कि अगर आप 6 महीने के अंदर रिटायर हो रहे हैं, 6 महीने के अंदर 6 महीने से ज़्यादा आपका सर्विस टर्म नहीं बचा हुआ है, तो आपको कोई भी नई पोस्ट या कोई भी नया पद नहीं दिया जाएगा सीनियरिटी के बेसिस पर। उसी बिहाफ पर सुबोध कुमार जायसवाल जी ने दो सीनियर IPS ऑफिसर को सुपरसीड किया था। और पहले क्या होता था कि अगर किसी का 2 महीने बचा है रिटायरमेंट के लिए या 4 महीने बचा है तो उनको दे दिया जाता था, फिर 4 महीने बाद नया अपॉइंटमेंट होता था। तो इससे फिर से वही नया प्रोसेस दोहराना पड़ता था। तो इसीलिए 6 मंथ रूल का नया इनिशिएटिव CGI सर ने निकाला है, जो कि बहुत ही लाभदायक साबित होगा आने वाले समय के लिए। बाकी दोस्तों, आई होप आपको वीडियो ये पसंद आई होगी और लाइक और शेयर करिएगा ये वीडियो। फिर मिलते हैं, नमस्कार।